Exercises to lose belly fat in 30 days. 1. Plank. The abdomen, back, and shoulder muscles are the focus of the popular core exercise known as the plank. You may decrease belly fat while strengthening your core with this exercise. Starting in a push-up position with your feet hip-width apart and your hands shoulder-width apart, complete a plank. Put your weight on your forearms and maintain the posture for 30 to 60 seconds. Increase the hold's duration as you get better. 2. Squats. Squats are a complex exercise that work the core as well as other muscle groups. Your body burns calories while doing squats, and the muscles you use also use energy. This results in a rise in metabolism as a whole, which can aid in the reduction of belly fat. Squats also work the abdominal muscles, which over time can help tighten and tone the core region and create a more distinct abdomen. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a strength training activity that works the core as well as other muscular groups. By boosting metabolism and building muscle, this can help burn calories and reduce belly fat. Additionally, push-ups can help to improve posture and tone the abdominal muscles, which can both help to give the appearance of a flatter belly. 4. Crunches. The rectus abdominis muscles can be toned and strengthened by performing crunches. Even though they don't directly burn belly fat, they can boost muscle mass, which can speed up metabolism and cause fat loss. To lose belly fat and get a toned midsection, combine crunches with a nutritious diet and frequent cardiovascular exercise. 5. Russian twists. Russian twists, which engage and tone the abdominal muscles, might be a useful workout for reducing belly fat. The obliques, which are found on either side of the waist, are the focus of the twisting motion. Building these muscles will help you lose weight by burning calories and giving you a more defined midsection.